Hey guys, Jules Kane here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to go over one of my favorites, Greater, by John P. Key and the New Life Community Choir. The song is going to be in the key of B flat. Okay, so let's start off with the intro. So you're playing a C minor, B flat, F drop 2, F over A, then a B flat, F over A, G minor, F to an E flat. Then I like to play this out here, little arpeggio. Okay, again, with the melody this time. Okay, then we're going to go to an F9 sus, which is playing an E flat chord on top of F. Then you're going to play this E flat, F, G minor, then we're going to walk up from F. Okay, let's do it again. Then we sing the first verse. Greater is he that is. I am a conqueror. Greater in me than he that is in the world. Okay, so the first verse, you're playing B flat, then an E flat minor over B flat to B flat. D minor 7, G minor 7, C9, E minor 7 flat 5, F9, F over A, B flat over A flat, A flat 9, G7. We're going to walk up, F over A, G over B, C minor 7, B flat over D, C minor over E flat, E minor 7 flat 5, now we're at F world. Okay, B flat. Then we'll sing the verse again. We're going to start over by going to E flat over G, to F over A. Greater is he that is in me, and I am a conqueror. Greater is he that is in me than he that is in the world. Okay, now we're going to move on to the next section. We're going to play F minor 9 to B flat 9. And we're going to play the great one abides, the great one resides, the great one he lives inside of me. Greater is he that is in me than he that is in the world. Okay, let's do that again. Right, F minor 9, B flat. So we're going to do it. E flat major 7, the great one abides. E minor 7 flat 5. D minor 7, familiar chords. The great one resides. G minor 7. The great one. C minor 7. He lives. F7. A B flat inside of C minor 7. B flat over D. me, and greater is he. So that's the E minor 7 flat 5 to the E flat 7. That is in now D minor 7 flat 5, me. Then we go to G7 flat 9 or just G7. Then walk up, he that is in the world. All right. Then the next section we're going to go. Or so we're walking from B flat down, A flat to G. So you can do that in thirds, sevenths, or the whole chord. Then we're going to walk up. Then we're going to go to the next section. Nay, C minor 7. It all the things that you go through. Call on his name. He will deliver you. Okay, so that's C minor, E minor 7 flat 5 to F, walk up. We're going to play this D7 flat 9, which if you look carefully, you'll see that we have an F triad over D7, which makes that sharp 9 voicing. It's a great alteration to a dominant to go through. Alright, then that G minor 7. Walk up again. Call his name. He will deliver you. Alright, then we go back to the F minor 9 to the B flat 9. The great one restores. We've gone through this. The great one means more than all this world could ever be, and greater is he that is in me than he that is in the world. Then we go back to nay, it all the things that you hold his name, will deliver. Now watch this. We're gonna go. Greater is he that is in me than he that is in the world. That lick he's doing there is E7, sharp 9, sharp 5. So again. Alright, then go on through this. Greater is he that is in me than he that is in the world. Okay, and then we're going to go to the vamp. We're going to go to that same E chord. New life say, the great one. The great one. We've gone through these chords. So glad he does live in me. The great one. The great one. God Jehovah. Lives inside of me. Great one. So we've gone through this. Lives in. Now there's this quick change, but it's the same chords we've done before. Great one. Great one. Then they go back to nay it all. Everything you're going through, hang in there. Speak the word in your spirit. I've been there before. He's a present help. He's sovereign all by himself. Are you? Here we go. Greater is he that is in me. Greater is he. There's one more different change you're going to get. And that's... So little passing chords. We're going down in minor nines. So an E9 sharp 5. So he's doing, greater is he that is in me. Greater is he that is in. Then we're going to go to this. So let's try it again. Greater is he that is in me than he that is in the world. Glory. And then you go to the intro. Glory. Then back to it all, the things that you go through. Hallelujah. Speak the word in your spirit. Oh, need it all. Greater is he that is in me than he that is in the world. All right, thanks guys for listening. That was Greater by John P. Key. All right, if there's any more requests that you guys want, put it down in the list. Please send in a donation. I'm going to be doing this for quite a bit of time, so I'm pretty sure if I haven't gotten to your song already, I will be getting to it soon. So I appreciate you guys so much, and until the next time, take care.